The EliteHood overhead video tripod offers a genuinely stable horizontal setup that makes overhead recording for tutorials, baking videos, and crafting projects feel effortless and secure. Its height range from roughly desk level up to a tall studio stance, combined with the long sidearm, lets you frame shots over wide workspaces or high kitchen counters without awkward improvising. The aluminum construction feels reassuringly solid for such a portable tripod, keeping the boom steady even when supporting larger phones and when you are working on less than perfect surfaces. A smooth rotating hinge and adjustable phone holder make it easy to switch between landscape and portrait and fine-tune your angle quickly while you are in the middle of filming or live streaming. The phone clamp opens wide enough for most modern smartphones in their everyday cases, so you are not constantly removing covers just to get your device mounted securely. When you are done, the tripod folds down to a compact size and slips into the included carrying bag, which makes it practical to bring along for travel shoots or on location content creation.